This wee guy crashed into our steps in the back garden there earlier, and had to run down the road to catch him. He seems to be injured. Now we've got what does wire stand for again? Wildlife rescue makes sense. But they're gonna come around soon to collect this wee guy. He's gotta give him some water. See how we go. Very dude. Apparently we have a little bit of activity in here. Hello? You thinking about it when we look around? Huh? Oh, you've had a little poop. Oh my goodness. I guess that's a good sign. You just stay still whenever I come near you. You're a clever little birdie, aren't you? Alright, I'll leave you alone again and go make a tea.